React 2 Shell CVE 2025-55182 is a critical pre-authentication remote code execution vulnerability in React Server Components RSC. It allows an attacker to send a malicious payload to server function endpoints over HTTP and achieve arbitrary code execution on the server. This flaw has already been exploited in the wild by advanced groups, making immediate action imperative. Affected packages include React Server DOM Webpack, React Server DOM TurboPack, and React Server DOM Parcel in versions 19.0 through 19.2. These are part of React Server Components, used by frameworks like Next.js and are maintained by Meta. Only installations that enable server function endpoints are at risk. CVE 502, deserialization of untrusted data. The vulnerability stems from unsafe deserialization of payloads received via HTTP. Since no authentication is required, an attacker can trigger the flaw remotely and execute arbitrary code with the server's privileges. React 2 Shell exploits the code path that deserializes user-supplied data for server functions. An attacker crafts a specially encoded payload that, when deserialized, invokes arbitrary JavaScript code on the server. Researchers have confirmed in the wild exploitation by China Nexus groups immediately after disclosure. Detection rules, Yara WAF signatures, and high-fidelity IDS signatures have been published, but unpatched servers remain at high risk. Solo developers running Next.js apps have reported exploit attempts within hours of release. All users of React Server components and frameworks that rely on them must update to the patched versions 19.2.1 without delay. In the interim, disable server functions on public endpoints, monitor HTTP logs for unusual deserialization payloads, and deploy IDS WAF rules for CVE 2025-55182 signatures. This is no longer a zero-day. Proactive remediation will prevent further compromise.